All right, yes, all right, straight to the main point. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And I told you, like, whenever you see hair by clippers, just know that is our salon. Yes, yes, that is our salon, and don't get twisted. So, today we're going to say something that is very, very interesting. And by the way, I've not yet, like, in my life, I've not like I haven't made this hair before, so it's going to be my first time to plait such a hair, the hair that is very, very packed and very long. And trust me, the client wants something that is she wants to do natural tangle, but when it is long and big. So in this video, I'm just going to give you the tricks that I used, and still, if you the person also get a client like this one, you will know what you can do. So before all that, let's first get it on with this.
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
All right, yes, welcome back from that. So here we have been doing the natural tangle, but there's something that I would like us to share together. So as you're giving me your attention to see all this, try to listen to this word that I'm going to tell you. So now, like in my mind, I already know that this person want to do this kind of hair, and she wants the natural tangle to be a bit bigger. So we have been doing this for a while. We all know how to do the natural tangle. For those who have been following me, they know how to do that. And if it's you still new to this channel, you can still go and subscribe and check it out, all those videos of how to do the natural tangle. So here what I put in my mind is that her hair is long and has got a lot of volume. So if she tells me that she wants still to have like the natural tangle but in medium size, it means the medium size, if I'm trying to twist her own hair, it can even make that size, because her hair is really, it has got that volume. So what I do here, so that I don't overpack her, because this is very, very dangerous. I always tell you guys that it is very, very dangerous. Like the kinky can behave in two ways. It is kinky is a very, very nice way, but it's a very nice hair extension, but if you plait it badly, it is not friendly to to the hair. So you should always try to mind your plating. So now here I already know that my hair it has the volume and is very long, and my client wants something that is long when it is a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do, you see the extension that I'm trying to put, this is very small. Like the extension that I'm putting is a bit small. You know why? It is just because I want to start with it so that my hair can be firm, but still as I'm starting with it, I want it like if it joins together, if it combines together with this hair which has got a lot of volume, it will make that exact volume of the medium size that she wanted. So if I try to compare the two, the first let me try to give you this example. Like if someone have come when she has got like a light hair, you understand, I would be using my extension, I would be with a bigger volume. You know why? It is just because her hair is soft with it doesn't have volume. So if I use the big extension, it means it will come out this way. But now this person has got already a lot of volume and she wants this size of the braids. So what I do, I have to make sure I reduce on the extension that I use on these people with soft hair. You understand? Like our African, like soft hair. So I use the small extension so that it doesn't become extra big, like it doesn't become very big. And what we always try to mind about before doing anything, guys, try to make sure you don't overpack kinky. Yes, you can pack it, but how? Because there's no any way you can do this size and you tell me that you want to overpack in front with this size. You understand? So like the size of the extension, like way it is looking here, you cannot do that size and then you overpack it in front. If you do that, trust me, your hair is going to break. So you should always mind all those things, that it's not just a matter of plating that way, but you should always count what may come out when you do such a thing. So I've tried to do the small size of the extension as I told you, and you see when we do the twisting, it brings the bigger braid. So the other means it is combining with that small extension that I'm using to make this. So if I was doing the big extension, it means it was going to be very big, and remember her hair is very packed, so it would be a lot on her head, which will make her uncomfortable. And when you're uncomfortable, trust me, you cannot stay with this hair for long, because you would want to style it when you cannot style it. You'd want to leave it puff and make you uncomfortable. You'd want to hold it puff, maybe still it makes you uncomfortable. So the only thing is you have to count it, like you have to see that what you're trying to install on someone is going to be comfortable for her. So this is what I'm trying to use. So those also always ask me about the gel that I use. I use the molding gel, that is the dread gel. Yeah, you can use it also, and that one always help me to collect all the hair together, though you've been seeing me trying to remove the baby hair, because that one is not supposed to be plaited on. And there's some clients who always come when they want even to plait the baby hair. Those ones who don't like the baby hair, but sometimes it's not right. When it comes to the baby hair, you cannot just don't like, it's not good to plait it. So if you plait it, it might be dangerous for your hairline. It might break. So what the next thing I like about this natural tangle is that it can be repaired anytime you want. You can repair it, and it lasts. Yes, at least it lasts according, yeah, it can last since you can repair it, so it means you can still stay with it. So another thing that I didn't tell you here is that as you're plaiting this twisting, you can see the way it is. I know there's some extent that you're going to reach since you had added a small extension and now you're trying to twist it. It means that's the hair. When the hair is done, you understand, when the hair is done, because as you're twisting, remember this braid is very long, so I don't think you can plait your hair up to where the extension stops, you understand. So as you're plaiting, when you see the hair like is done, obviously since our extension was very small, what we do, we just have to get another extension, then we add. So,
So that as we add it,
what I
it
should
looks
tell
like
you
it is
today,
still
you should know
with
it.
real
Like
hair.
whenever
So
you're
there you
doing
just have to
these
plait
braids
it
of
when it is
kinky,
all equal.
whenever you're
Trust
trying to
me,
do kinky, whether in twisting or in threads, please, I want to advise you. As long as you cannot hold a puff with your like with your hands, if you cannot, your hands cannot hold that puff, trust me, it is a lot. And if it's a lot, when it is twisting like this, very long like this, and then you do it very packed on the head, there someone's hair is in danger. You understand? So try to make sure you don't do that. Yes, you play it accordingly as you trying to protect everything. So I cannot forget to shout out to everyone who is watching us wherever you are. Thank you so much. Those ones in United States of America, those ones in Abu Dhabi, yes, UK, and I cannot forget my friends in South Africa. Thank you so much. Kenya, Nairobi, we love you so much. And we have those ones in Nigeria, Ghana. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Those ones in Canada, I would also say hi to you guys. We love you. So as we're continuing, this is our lesson of today on how to do the natural tangle, and this hair type can be done in all to everyone. Even if they're kids, they can plait it. It is very nice on them. So this would be the best hair for you that can last for at least days. No, this hair lasts it lasts like 2 to 3 months, or even 3 months. And the good thing, you can wash and you can repair, and still, as long as after repairing, it works again, like it stays again. So this is what I got for you, but the main point was, this was my first time to play this kind of hairstyle and I was scared. But what the trick that I used, I tried to reduce on my extension so that I can make the hair comfortable for. You see, makeup puff, it is very, very small, not too packed, and I made sure that I arranged all the boxes very neat. So my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I'd like to shout out. I want to say thank you so much for being with me ever since we started, and now we're here. Bye bye. See you guys. May God bless you.